Welcome to our lesson about the hatch pattern command. Let's begin by activating the tool. Here's the icon. First, we select the type of pattern. I'm going to choose ANSI 31. Next, I need to specify the hatch boundary. There's a few different ways to do this. For this example, I'm going to click on Select Boundary Objects, and I'll click on this polygon, and the hatch is applied. We can modify the scale of the hatch. Let's enter 5 here. Tab to register. We're also able to change the angle of the hatch. From this drop-down menu, we can adjust the color of the hatch. And from the menu beneath, we adjust the color of the background. And when we're done our modifications, we click on Close Hatch Creation to accept our pattern. Let's activate the Hatch Pattern tool again. Select the pattern from this drop-down menu, ANSI 32. Let's use Select Boundary Objects again. We'll create a boundary between two objects, this circle and this circle. Let's click Close Hatch Creation to accept our work. And let's move on to my next example. Activate the Hatch Pattern tool again. Select a pattern. Let's say angle. For the boundary, we're going to use the Pick Points method. Now we pick our points, my first point and my second point, my first selection and my second selection. Here we have the option to set the origin. As I choose different origins, you see the position of the pattern changes. Let's activate Associative by clicking on it. You see it stays blue. And then close the hatch creation. Now I'm going to select this line and grab it, drag it out, and as you see, the pattern follows my action. Okay, let's undo that move. To edit the hatch pattern, we simply select it in the drawing area with a left click. The Hatch Pattern tools open. This time, let's turn off Associative and close the hatch editor. Select the line again, and let's adjust the line as we did before, dragging it out. This time, you see that the pattern doesn't follow my movements. Let's press Escape to deselect everything. Select the pattern again. Now click Match Properties. And I'll select this pattern. And this object takes on the properties of the hatch that I selected. This concludes our tutorial about applying the hatch pattern.